Hey guys, welcome back to another helpful video of 1 to Step, and in this video I am going to show you how to save video wallpapers from Zedge. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to save video wallpapers from Zedge, you just simply have to open this Zedge application into your device, and after opening the application you will get this option of video wallpapers. Just simply tap into that option, and then after tapping into the option of video wallpapers, you can choose all of the video wallpapers that you would like to save. I'm selecting this watery wallpaper into here. Now in order to download or save this video wallpaper into your device, either you have to purchase it by giving it 10 credits into here, or you can watch an ad to download the wallpaper. You can choose either of this option and you can download this video wallpaper. This is very easy process to download the video wallpapers from the Zedge. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.